Ever wondered what the future of construction looks like? Well, brace yourselves because today we're revealing construction secrets you won't want to miss. From robots that do the heavy lifting to gadgets that make your work safer and faster, we're about to dive into some groundbreaking tech. And don't worry, we won't say let's dive into this video. Oops, almost did. But seriously, this is stuff you need to know. Let's discover these hidden treasures of construction. Drain base. First up, ever struggled with keeping your artificial turf green and mold-free? Meet the drain base, a game changer for turf maintenance. These HDP plates don't just drain excess water. They also store it, ensuring your turf stays pristine. Think of it as a refrigerator for your lawn, minus the annoying hum. Each tile is like a little insurance policy for your grass, and at $25 a piece, it's cheaper than therapy for your turf anxieties. So picture this. You've invested in beautiful artificial turf. It's lush and green, but maintaining that perfect look can be tricky. If it rains too much, you risk waterlogging. If it doesn't rain enough, your turf can dry out. Enter the drain base, your ultimate solution. These innovative HDP plates are designed to sit beneath your turf, efficiently draining excess water while also storing it for dry spells. Each tile covers 24 square inches and can hold up to 8 gallons of water per square meter. Column climber. Next, we've got the column climber. No, not Spider-Man's sidekick, but just as impressive. This device is your personal superhero, allowing you to scale steel columns with ease. Forget expensive lifts. This gadget has your back, or should I say, your altitude. Imagine being on a towering construction site surrounded by steel columns. Climbing up to perform tasks can be daunting, but with the column climber, it's a breeze. This high-tech device acts like a mobile fall protection system, allowing workers to ascend and descend steel columns safely and efficiently. Made from high-quality steel alloy, it supports up to 250 pounds and provides a secure platform once you reach the desired height. Bonamine Rock Demo. For our next marvel, meet the Bonamine Rock Demo, a demolition tool that's all power, no explosions. It's used in over 50 countries because, let's face it, who wants to blow things up when you can just squeeze them apart? When it comes to demolition, traditional methods often involve noisy explosions and a lot of dust. The Bonamine Rock Demo, however, offers a quieter, more controlled approach. This tool uses high expansion pressure to fracture rock and concrete, making it an excellent alternative to blasting. Imagine you're working on a project that involves removing large rock formations or old concrete structures. Instead of resorting to loud and dangerous explosives, you can use the Bonamine Rock Demo. By mixing the chemical agent with water and pouring it into drilled holes, it expands and exerts pressure, breaking apart the material. This method is not only silent but also environmentally friendly, making it ideal for urban areas or sensitive sites. The Bonamine Rock Demo has proven its worth in over 50 countries, showing that it's both effective and versatile. It's a perfect tool for construction, mining, or even archaeological digs. For a safer and more precise demolition experience, this tool is a game changer. Depron Insulation. Now, let's talk insulation, because who doesn't love a cozy home? Depron Insulation is like wrapping your house in a warm blanket. It cuts heat loss by up to 85%. It's like putting on a sweater, but for your walls. And the best part? You can paint or wallpaper over it. It's insulation with style. Imagine it's a chilly winter day, and you're snug inside your home, all thanks to Depron Insulation. This extruded polystyrene foam panel is designed to provide excellent thermal protection. It drastically reduces heat loss, helping to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The versatility of Depron Insulation is a major plus. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making installation a breeze. You can use it on walls, floors, or ceilings, whether you're working on a new build or renovating an old space. Plus, if you're concerned about aesthetics, Depron panels can be painted or covered with wallpaper, so you don't sacrifice style for function. By investing in Depron Insulation, you're not just enhancing comfort, you're also cutting down on energy costs. It's a smart investment that pays off in both savings and increased comfort. So if you want to keep your home cozy and efficient, Depron Insulation is your go-to solution. AISDHRP 5P. Now, straight from the future, or maybe a sci-fi movie, we have the AISD-HRP-5P, a robot that can install drywall. It's like having a super skilled butler on your construction site. With cameras and sensors, it adapts to changes and gets the job done without a coffee break. Can't wait for the day it learns to make coffee too. Imagine having a construction helper who never needs a break, works with precision, and doesn't complain about overtime. That's exactly what the AISD-HRP-5P brings to the table. This fifth-generation humanoid robot is capable of autonomously installing drywall thanks to its advanced cameras, 3D sensors, and smart software. It can recognize objects, adapt to changes on the job site, and get the job done efficiently. With the AISD-HRP-5P, drywall installation becomes a breeze. It's designed to handle repetitive tasks with ease, allowing human workers to focus on more complex aspects of the job. It's a glimpse into the future of construction, where robots and humans work side by side to complete tasks more efficiently. So, if you're looking to add a touch of sci-fi to your construction site, the AISD-HRP-5P is your new best friend. Wasp Printer. Finally, let's look at something straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Wasp Printer. This giant 3D printer uses eco-friendly materials like clay and straw to build entire structures. It's sustainable, efficient, and, let's be honest, pretty cool. Imagine printing your house like a giant Lego set. Imagine a 3D printer so large it can construct entire buildings. That's the Wasp Printer for you. This innovative technology uses eco-friendly materials such as clay and straw to create complex structures. It's a game changer for sustainable construction, combining efficiency with creativity. The Wasp Printer operates by layering materials to build up walls and structures, much like how you'd build with Lego bricks. This method is not only resource efficient, but also allows for the creation of unique architectural designs. It's perfect for both residential and commercial projects, making it a versatile tool in the world of construction. With the Wasp Printer, the future of building is here, and it's greener than ever. So if you're excited about sustainable construction and cutting-edge technology, the Wasp Printer is a must-see. Gripple Fast Track. But wait, there's more. The Gripple Fast Track is like the Swiss Army knife of the ceiling world. This nifty tool lets you fasten pipes, cables, and vents 6 times faster than traditional methods. It's efficient, sleek, and practically eliminates waste. It's like giving your ceiling a jetpack. Imagine needing to fasten pipes, cables, or vents quickly and efficiently. The Gripple Fast Track makes it happen in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. This versatile tool is designed to streamline the installation process, reducing labor time and waste. The Gripple Fast Track is a game changer for anyone working in ceiling installation or maintenance. It simplifies the process and ensures a clean, professional finish every time. If you're looking to enhance your efficiency and cut down on wasted materials, the Gripple Fast Track is an indispensable tool for your arsenal. Ground Fix Urban Edge. Next up, we have the Ground Fix Urban Edge, a modern solution for all your urban landscaping needs. It's durable, eco-friendly, and perfect for making city parks, streetscapes, and public spaces look sharp. Made from recycled materials, it's as sustainable as it is stylish. Think of it as the perfect accessory for your urban outfit. When it comes to urban landscaping, the Ground Fix Urban Edge offers a stylish and sustainable solution. Made from recycled materials, it's both durable and eco-friendly, making it ideal for city parks, streetscapes, and public spaces. This innovative product not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of urban environments, but also promotes environmental responsibility. The Ground Fix Urban Edge is designed to withstand the rigors of urban life while adding a touch of elegance to any project. Whether you're working on a public park or a city street, this product ensures your landscaping looks sharp and stays sustainable. Foam Concrete Technology. Let's get bubbly with foam concrete technology. This lightweight, aerated concrete is not only easy to transport and install, but also offers excellent thermal and acoustic insulation. It's like the Swiss cheese of concrete, full of holes, but in the best possible way. Hollow Builder. Ever wanted to feel like you're in the future? Enter Hollow Builder, the 360-degree imagery and augmented reality tool for construction documentation. It's like having a time machine for your project. You can track progress, spot issues, and collaborate with your team in real time. It's the ultimate tool for anyone who hates surprises, unless they're good ones. Kinesix Suit. If you've ever wished for superhuman strength, the Kinesix Suit is your wish come true. This wearable exoskeleton helps you lift heavy objects and perform repetitive tasks without breaking a sweat. It's like having Iron Man's suit, but for construction. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to productivity. Tensar Triax GeoGrid. Let's talk foundations, specifically the Tensar Triax GeoGrid. This geosynthetic material reinforces soil and improves the structural integrity of your project. It distributes loads evenly, reduces the amount of aggregate needed, and increases the lifespan of roads and railways. It's like giving your construction project a pair of sturdy boots. Aerogel Plaster. Last but not least, we have aerogel plaster, an insulation material that's more than 90% air. It's lightweight, durable, and can withstand extreme temperatures. This super material has been around since 1931, but it's still the stuff of science fiction. It's like wrapping your building in a cozy, invisible blanket. So there you have it, folks. From eco-friendly 3D printers to superhero-level exoskeletons, these are the construction secrets you need to know. Whether you're a professional builder or a DIY enthusiast, these innovations are here to make your life easier, safer, and more efficient. Don't miss out on the future of construction. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest and greatest in construction tech. And we'll be back with more incredible innovations. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is built by those who innovate.